Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, January 4th, 2023. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to shoot a quick 2-week update video. I joined LiveGood 2 weeks ago on Wednesday, December 21st, 2022, and I thought it would just be a cool idea to show you my back office and to let you know my thoughts on it so far. All right, and just to be transparent, I have Google open here, and I have 2 weeks ago from today. I'm going to hit the enter button, and it'll show you that 2 weeks ago from today was Wednesday, December 21st, 2022. All right. I know some of you watching this and maybe haven't seen some of my other videos. You're probably thinking, why I have the same clothes on all the time. But like I mentioned, I'm wearing the LiveGood t-shirt on all my videos that I'm making about LiveGood, and I got the LiveGood hat on. All right. And I'm also drinking the Super Reds today. All right. I've been drinking this every day since my order came in on December 28th, I believe. So I'm loving the products, loving the company, and I'm just going to log into my back office. I'm just going to show you right here my earnings. All right, so I joined right in the middle of the last pay period, which was December 17th through December 23rd of 2022, and I received the $25. This went directly into my bank account. There was no issues with it, and I was paid on Thursday. Every week is payday. Every Thursday is our payday for fast start commissions. And then the first Thursday of the month, we get paid for our matrix and then matching bonuses and all that other fun stuff. Okay, so tomorrow night is our cutoff date at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and basically that means for all you pre-enrollees, you have until tomorrow night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to lock in your position in the matrix. And basically what that means is that the sooner you lock in, all those who choose not to upgrade or those that choose to upgrade after you are going to fall below you in the matrix. Okay? So that's super important that we have a cutoff date. And then after the cutoff date, this back office is going to be updated. Okay? And I'll do another video showing you what I earned this past week. Okay? But that's it for right there. And then I'm going to show you here underneath my team. And we go to view enroller tree. All right? Now, as you can see here, I have only 6 personally enrolled customers and affiliates. Okay, I don't have any new members this month so far. I have a few people that are talking about upgrading before tomorrow night, but we'll see if that happens. But the cool thing is that if I go down here to all levels and I change this view, you're going to see that I have 28 new affiliates this month and 29 new members this month that are on my team. All right, so these are people that are on my team. These are people that I'm going to earn money from in the matrix, potentially matching bonuses, and it's just growing like crazy. So the last time that I counted all of the people under me, I have 63 people in my matrix. All right, and these are people that I'm going to earn off of because I'm a bronze member. All right, and being a bronze, you earn 13 levels deep. So I'm going to earn off of all those 63 people, and then all the other bonuses that I've explained in my other videos. So I was on a Zoom call today. It was the first company Zoom call, okay? And they talked about all kinds of new marketing tools coming out and plans for the future and whatnot. And one of the things that Ben Glinsky mentioned, all right, now he's the founder and the CEO of this company. He said that currently there are about 5,000 members in LiveGood right now, upgraded members, okay? He predicts that by the end of this year, all right, or before the end of December 2023, that there are going to be over 1 million people in this company. Okay? So it's important that if you want to be a part of this, to join as soon as possible so that you get the best possible placement in the matrix. All right? There's only 5,000 of us in there right now. So where are the other 995,000 people going to go from now until December? If you lock in your position now, all those people are going to fall somewhere below you in the matrix. And they could end up just under you. Some of them will. Okay, so it's super important to upgrade, to pre-enroll and upgrade, and don't wait around. It's $49.95 a month for your first month. That's a $40 one-time affiliate fee. All right, and that's to get your back office and everything set up. And then it's $9.95 a month. So $49.95 your first month, and then $9.95 each month thereafter. We have no auto ship requirements, no purchase product requirements. You can basically come in here, pay your $49.95 and then $9.95 each month after, and you could just sit back and wait You know, it might take a couple years for your matrix to fill, but eventually you're going to get, spillover, and your matrix will fill up, and then you'll be earning money without doing anything. Now, I highly recommend that if you do join, you want to get to at least a bronze, bring in 2 personal referrals, and then that opens up different levels that you can earn on in the matrix and the matching bonuses and stuff. All right, which I have other videos that you can check out about that. So anyway, my 2-week update, I'm super happy with this company. Ben Glinsky and Ryan and Lisa Goodkin and Nadar Kazan, they are all very transparent. They were on the Zoom call today. They keep everybody informed on what's going on. And this company is literally revolutionizing the network marketing industry. And basically because it's affordable, all right? And not only is it affordable, the products are top notch, all right? I've been drinking these products every single day since December 28th when my package came in. So I've been drinking the organic coffee in the morning. I drink the liquid aminos around noontime, and then I follow that with the super reds and super greens. Okay, so I have so much energy. I'm just like pinging off the walls all the time. My wife's like, you got to settle down. But I'm super excited about this, okay? So I'm in it to win it, and I hope that you'll join our team. For all those that do join below me, or underneath using the link down in the description box, I'm going to promote your link until you rank up to bronze, all right? So that means you just give me your affiliate link. I'm going to drive traffic to it every single day, and then we're going to do that until you reach the bronze level, and then you can help your downline do the same thing. And I'll be there every step of the way to help you out, all right? We have a really fast-growing team. We have some really big marketers, and I'm super excited about this. So if you have any questions about it, leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you'd like to learn more about this, simply click on the link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to a page that looks like this. All right, it's going to say, welcome to Russ5's website. You can watch this 5-minute video. It goes into great detail about the company, how the power line system works. And then you just put your first name, last name, email, click reserve my position now. And then you're going to want to upgrade before the cutoff tomorrow. All right, tomorrow night at Thursday. If you're watching this after that, that's fine too. You'll have until the following Thursday to upgrade and lock in your position in the matrix, okay? So, folks, I think this company there's a lot of promise with this company. I think it is going to take over the network marketing industry. There's nowhere else you can go online and get a 750 milligram bottle of full spectrum CBD oil for $18. All right, it beats Amazon, Costco, Sam's Club, all the other markets out there. You cannot find the high quality products that these are at the prices they are anywhere else. All right, so anyway, I look forward to working with you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And I also appreciate you just being here. All right, this is I really believe in things falling into place, and this has fallen into place for me, and I know that there's a reason why you're watching this video. So consider checking out the video here on this page and signing up. All right, I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, be well, stay safe, and peace be with you.